Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Cook and Barbecue 24/7. I got a great recipe here behind me. I'm ready to share with you guys, so I'm looking forward to it. Let's get cooking. Hello everyone, today we have these beautiful yellow squash I got from my local grocery store. Growing up in the South, we used to grow these in the summertime and it just brings back so many memories with my grandparents. But these are going to cook up real good with some bell pepper, onions, and a little bit of sausage and make a nice light entree for your dinner. Here we have 2 tablespoons of butter heating up, and then we're about to add our turkey sausage in. Everyone in the comment below, let me know what type of squash is your favorite, and let me know how do you like to cook it, and I may try your recipe on the channel. Thank you. Now we got the turkey sausage in. We're about to get these up to a nice sizzle. Then we're going to add in a half of yellow onion and a half of bell pepper. Everyone, if you're enjoying this video so far, please consider hitting the like button and also subscribe, and you'll be the first to see my family recipes, seafood, and barbecue videos. Thank you. I like to saute my vegetables until they get a nice translucent color, until the sausage gets some color. Then we're going to add our fresh garlic in, and that way the garlic doesn't burn. Everything smells great. Everything looks good. Now we're going to add in yellow squash and get these going. We want to keep the flavor profile very simple. We just adding in black pepper and salt to get these nice and going. You already have your bell pepper, onions, and garlic in, and I think this is all we need. And just like that, it's been about 35 minutes on a medium to low simmer. The squash is nice and tender. Just give it another stir. And you can cook your squash to how you like it. Some people like a little crunch, some people don't. I like it kind of in between because, you know, they're going to still cook. And when you reheat, they're going to cook a little bit more in the microwave. This yellow squash and sausage came out great, very flavorful, very light. Like I said, growing up in the South, it really reminds me of being in the South with my grandparents and family. Everyone, this is a great recipe. I urge you guys to give this a try. Just want to thank everybody for watching. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.